All right, what's up guys? My name's Jake Howarth here. I'm a brown belt out of Ronin Training Center under Vitor Oliveira. We're gonna go through a series of techniques called Bijo Breakdown. We're gonna be focused on NoGi techniques. A couple of my credentials, multiple time Pan bronze medalist. I medaled at bronze at the Worlds in 2021. Former collegiate wrestler, so let's take a look. All right guys, so I wanna look at a pretty safe, pretty basic single leg finish. I use it in high school a lot. It works in jiu-jitsu great, as long as you're keeping your head tight to your opponent's chest and you're always shrugging your shoulders so that you're not exposing your neck. So let's imagine a stance where I'm here contact with Chris and I'm going to get this leg here. So in order to get that leg to step forward, I'm just going to pull. As that leg comes forward, I'm going to think about dropping on my outside knee, circling to my sable. My other knee drops, I hook, scoop under this leg, pull it into the mat. From here, I can just windshield wiper, clear this foot, coming into side control. So let's look at that again. Cool.